It's a show time!
Hello guys, so in today's video we are going over top 10 best animated anime films according to my anime list. These 10 anime films feature some of the most beautiful animated films in the last 3 decades. When comparing anime to cartoons, it's easy to see the visual differences between the two. Anime puts more effort into the drawing and even their movie format. They still do the hand-drawn character and their movement frame by frame. Western cartoon movies just don't have the same spirit or have a different appeal as the most of them movies are 3D. That's why there's a different type of fandom surrounding 2D anime movies. It's a huge league on its own, and even some of the bad storylines and characterizations can easily be saved by animation. Here is the best to best when it comes to anime films, specifically which among them have the most beautiful hand-drawn animations ever, ranked by how good anime movie they are. So let's start with the list. On the 10th number, the anime movie name is Paprika. Most of Satoshi Kon's anime movies could easily fit in here very well, but his most popular one is usually Paprika. It's the sci-fi dreamscape anime that inspired Hollywood mindrackers such as Christopher Nolan's Inception. Paprika's story revolves around the same premise of toying with dreams. In it, dreams can be viewed or manipulated using a prototype scientific device. The device, however, got stolen as it has the potential to be used for crime and other destructive acts. Under normal narrative circumstances, Paprika's animation doesn't really stand out much, but when dream sequences kick in, it easily becomes a wonderland of carousel of colors. On the 9th number, the movie name is Garden of Words. Guys, it's Makoto Shinkai. For some reason, that might be enough as an explanation why Garden of Words deserves its spot. If fans ever wanted to see the most beautiful 2D animated movies of the spring or summer rainfall, then Garden of Words is the best bet even with the new Makoto Shinkai films like Weathering with You. That's because Garden of Words couples its initially somber rainy backdrop with the mood of two characters whose affection for each other is considered inappropriate. Their mood changes along with the weather, and when it does, the movie just floods the brain with an uncanny amount of serotonin from the fluidity of the abrupt weather change in animation alone. On the 8th number, the anime movie is Akira. It's an old movie, but even with new anime films coming out every year, Akira remains strong as one of the golden standards of 2D animation. It's the oldest movie here, but a lot of fans will likely agree that this still has the best animation among all the anime films, especially when the technology at the time, 1988, this movie was created in 1988, so the animation was really limited in the 2D drawings, but still they managed to create some exceptional visuals in this movie. As a movie, it's also great and one of the most unforgettable cyberpunk stories at the moment, as it dabbles in physically enhanced mutant children and corrupt government authorities in a futuristic Tokyo that's on the brink of riot and destruction. Who would have thought that watching the two unfolds would be visually delight? On the 7th number, the movie name is Red Line. One contender for Akira as the best in 2D effort could well be Red Line. It's a racing anime movie that gives its nod to classics such as Speed Racer. Red Line, however, doesn't confine itself in the monotony of one art style, as each and every character is its own individual. The amount of effort poured into Red Line's unique and energetic 2D art can be easily seen in this movie, compelling all that cool and loud animation that will surely pump the viewer's adrenaline. On the 6th number, the anime name is Ghost in the Shell. Here's the reason why Scarlett Johansson's Ghost in the Shell Hollywood remake just could take off as well as expected. If one isn't convinced that Ghost in the Shell doesn't deserve to be here, then a repeated rewatch of Hong Kong Ghetto chase sequence should prove the point. That one of the most finest action set pieces in anime movies. Even something as small as pedestrian and merchant interaction in Hong Kong market is packed with details. They don't do it like anymore. On the 5th number, the movie name is Cowboy Bebop. Of course, many of you have already watched the anime part also, but in this movie, even the regular Cowboy Bebop series was head turner back in its day, given how smooth and crisp its animation were. The movie just takes this up a notch by adding more frames and improving the detail of each and every participant. That is, can be hard to recreate the same shots in live action. just like what happened in The Ghost in the Shell. Meanwhile, Cowboy Bebop, the movie pits the unlikely space bounty hunter partnership of Fane Valentine, Spike Spiegel, Edward, and Jet Black against a rough super soldier named Vincent who has his own terror plot planned out. It takes place somewhere in the event of an anime and can thankfully be watched by any fans without the fear of spoilers. On the fourth number, the movie is Kizu Monogatari. I am sure most of you guys already heard about this movie. There is always that one anime which makes it hard to focus on narrative or story thanks to how gorgeous its art can be, and that's what makes most of the people distracted from the story. Kizu Monogatari is one of the such anime movies. The rating is for the first entry in the trilogy, but all of them are worth watching. Much like Redline, Kizu Monogatari combines multiple art styles into a vigorous 2D amalgam and sometimes with 3D environment thrown into the mix. It also plays around with the different shades of dusky colors in order to convey the mood of the animation, and frames are simply top notch as each limb, piece of clothing and even memory gland is well animated to the fault. On the third number, the movie is Violet Evergarden. Oh my god, this movie is absolutely insane. Violet Evergarden is one of the latest titles on this year. It's critically acclaimed anime and now it has its recently released film that apparently can be watched without the viewer's eyes soaking up with their own tears. When they are not crying alongside Violet, the protagonist, they'll be admiring the subtle but refined 2D art. Violet Evergarden might not be much of a show off when it comes to effect like Makoto Shinkai's movie or as vibrant as Satoshi Kon's movie, but it has enough to accompany the dramatic mood of the protagonist and portray her grievings. On the second number, the movie is Spirited Away. Of course, Studio Ghibli's movie just had to be here. They put a lot of work in their hyperbolic characters, expression, and even in the 2D food. It's often the poster of the Studio Ghibli films, one whose original version didn't even need to remaster due to its trendy Ghibli signature style. Everything in Spirited Away is just magical. True to its title, watching the movie is just like being spirited away someplace other that's more mystical. So before moving to the first number, I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video with your friends who would like to watch 2D animated movies and who are also the fan of great animations. On the first number, the anime movie is Kimi no Na wa. Of course, most of you guys already have watched this movie. Much like Studio Ghibli, Makoto Shinkai is now a brand of its own thanks to the signature trademark of outputting the best 2D animation films ever. Your Name, for that matter, remains as Shinkai's magnum opus and one of the highest rated anime movies ever. There's even a live action Hollywood remake along the way, which may or may not be necessary, I don't know. Regardless how well the Hollywood version succeeds or fails can prove just how good a film Your Name is both narratively and aesthetically with the animation. Never has getting gender swapped and comet bombardment looked so beautiful nor romantic before Kimi no Na wa. So yeah, that was the video of top 10 animated movies who are the best in last 3 decades, and let me know your opinions about it in the comment section down below. And out of these 10 movies, how many movies have you already watched and how many of them are still remaining to watch? Let me know those things in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.